Welcome back, fellow crypto warriors. In today's video, we will recap back about the recent event that happened to UK traders. As on previous video, Bybit is striking hard with them leaving the UK market unexpectedly following rules that does not apply to them. But fear not all UK users, there is an exchange as good as Bybit that offers even more bonuses and rewards. As usual, I am recommending you again, bitget, one of the best exchange to date that still operates in the UK, so do not be lost, as bitget is fully operating for UK users. With over 3 million users, I can ensure you that bitget is the best choice for your main exchange. So let's bring a band of friends and take part on bitget. Imagine bitget most used product, bitget Earn, is giving you passive income like no other exchange. Bitget Earn has a lot of varieties ways for UK users to earn more freely. But here's the best part, with USDT in your bitget wallet, you have the power to earn passively. Your crypto journey begins right here, right now. Buy your crypto with lowest fee as possible. As compared to Bybit, bitget UK users can have lower while feeling safe holding the crypto tokens without no worries of discontinued service. Speaking of bitget spot, you can have a big list of tokens to be traded. For anyone up for some more challenge, bitget futures is available for all UK users. You can now trade with more than 100 pairs and you can conquer the market with more profits. You can now trade without any worries of your position liquidated because service discontinuing. Now we are getting to the grand product of bitget itself, the copy trading program, where you can copy pro traders and earn while you sleep. So, how exactly does copy trading work? The concept first appeared in the cryptocurrency realm in 2017 with platforms such as bitget. Essentially, you are investing in other traders rather than making trades yourself. When they win, you win, and when they lose, you lose as well. However, it is not as straightforward as it appears. So there you have it, bitget exchange, which once for all still available for UK users, with a lot of features that are pretty sleek. You can now legitimately earn safe and sound. But the most important thing compared to Bybit's situation in the UK, is that bitget is operating and keep providing UK users with more and more interesting offerings. You can now access bitget.com and see and try for yourself all of its features provided for you on bitget website. Keep profiting with bitget and together with your friends. That's all there is to it. Bitget is a fantastic alternative to the exchange that has closed its doors to UK users. Not only that, but bitget has a plethora of events and incentives in the works for all users, including UK users, to earn even more bonuses and trade joyfully. Finally, bitget is a great way to go. If you're ready to dive into the exciting world of cryptocurrency, why not explore the bitgetverse? Sign up today and embark on your trading journey.